very pleasant good morning, my dear children. This is part 4 of our chapter 14, How Big, How Heavy. In this part today, we will study what problems related to volume. So let's start. Question number 1. An almirah 100 cm long, 150 cm wide and 300 cm high. Find the volume of the almirah. Solution. Length of an almirah is given 100 cm. Width of an almirah means breadth is given 150 cm. Height is given 300 cm. Now we have to find out the volume of an almirah, and we all know the formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now we have to put the values in the given formula. After multiplication we will get 45 lakh centimeter cube. Question number 2. A fish aquarium is 50 cm long, 40 cm wide and 25 cm high. What is the volume of the aquarium? It is same as question number 1. Length of an aquarium is 50 cm, breadth is given 40 cm and height is given 25 cm. Now, volume of an aquarium is equal to length into breadth into height. Now, put the values in the given formula. Length is 50 cm into 40 cm and height is 25 cm. After multiplication, all three numbers, we will get 50,000 centimeter cube. Now, question number 3. A brick is 8 cm long, 5 cm wide and 3 cm high. Find the volume of 10 such bricks. In this question, first we have to find out the volume of a brick. After that, we will find out the volume of 10 such bricks. Okay. Solution. Length of a brick is given 8 cm, breadth is given 5 cm, height of a brick is given 3 cm. Now, put the values in a formula. Volume of a brick is length into breadth into height. So, 8 cm into 5 cm into 3 cm. We will get 120 centimeter cube. Now this is the volume of a brick, means this is the volume of a single brick, and we have to find out the volume of 10 such bricks. Therefore, volume of 10 such bricks, we will multiply it by 120. 120 into 10, we will get 1200 centimeter cube. Now 1200 centimeter cube is the volume of 10 bricks. Now look at question number 4. Volume of air in the room is 1620 cubic meter and the area of the room is 180 square meter. Find the height of the room. In this question, you can see one hint is also given. Area of room is equal to length into breadth. Area is given, length into breadth. Solution. Volume of air in the room is given 1620 meter cube, or we can say cubic meter. Volume is given and area is also given, that is 180 meter square. Okay, remember, in volume the standard unit of measuring the volume is meter cube and standard unit of measuring the area is meter square. It is given. Okay, and we all know that volume formula length into breadth into height. So first write volume is equal to length into breadth can be written as area because it is given in the hint. Area of room is equal to length into breadth. So we will write area in place of length into breadth. Into height we will write separately. Now volume is given 1620 meter cube. So we will put volume here. Area is also given 180 meter square. So we will write here. Into height is not given. According to the question, we have to find the height of the room. So to find out the height, we will write volume upon area. Now after cancellation, we will get 9 meter. Therefore, 9 meter is the height of the room.